How to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 11. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on your Windows 11, then first you just need to simply open up your command prompt. Go with Run as Administrator, click on Yes, and here you need to enter a command which is ping space 127.1.1.1 and then hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, then if you get this kind of interface, that means there is no problem with the Wi-Fi hardware. But if you see general failure, that it means that it could be a problem with the Wi-Fi hardware or the network drivers. So the next thing you need to do is just open up your control panel. And on your control panel, you just need to simply go with the internet properties. So open up your internet options. Under internet options, you need to go with advanced, and here you need to go with restore advanced settings, and then after that you need to go with apply and OK, and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is open up your services. Here you need to search for Wi-Fi services. The first one is WLAN auto config and the other one is WLAN auto config. So here you will have WLAN and then WWAN. So you just need to simply go with both of these services and make sure that it is running, or make sure that you've started the service. Right click on it, go with properties, and then go with the startup type. Make sure that it is automatic, and if it's not started, then you just need to simply go and start. And if it's already started, then you just need to simply go and restart the service, which is right here on the top left. And after that, go with apply and OK, and do the same procedure with the WWAN auto config. Now once done, you just need to simply go back, and then you need to open up your control panel again. Go with network and sharing center, go with change adapter settings, which is here on the left side. Now here you will have the Wi-Fi option, right? So if it is disabled, you just need to simply right click on it and make sure to enable the service. Once you enable the service, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, the next thing you need to do is open up your device manager. So right click on your Windows, and then you will have the device manager option. Click on device manager, and under your device manager you will have the network adapter section. Enlarge your network adapters and then go with your driver, right click on it, go with update driver, or you can just go with properties and go with driver section and then go and update the driver. Once you updated, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and uninstall the device. Once you uninstall, you can restart the computer. And once you restart, then it will automatically install your drivers and your problem might be fixed. You can do that with all of the other drivers as well, and that might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't, then you just need to simply open up your settings. Now on your settings, you need to go with system, which is here on the left side, and then scroll down, go with troubleshoot, and go with other troubleshooters. And here you will have network and internet. Go and run the troubleshooter for network and internet, and after that your problem might be fixed. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.